Hello children, today we are going to study chapter 1 of Maths, The Fish Tale. Open page number 7 of your textbook. Fisherman can feel the wind and look at the sun to find out which way to go. Children, now hear what they say. When the fishermen go very far away from the shore, in this condition, if they forget their way to home, they just look at the sun and find out which way to go. Many of us would get lost and not be able to find our way on the sea, where you only see water and nothing else. But children, if you and I get lost, we would not be able to find our way. We will just stay there, and what is around us? Just water and nothing else. Now children, look at the sun and find out the direction from where it rises. Now children, this we all know. If you stand facing to the rising sun, then the position where you are facing is east. To your back it will be west. To your left hand it will be north. And to your right hand it will be south. Now next topic is what a catch. Out of the sea, fishermen look for a place where they hope to find a good catch of fish. There they spread their nets. They will have to wait for many hours for the fish to come into their nets. Now here children, what a catch. Catch means what catch? Yes, fish catch. Fishermen are looking for the places where they can have a good catch of fish. And for a good catch of fish, they have to wait for a long time. Now look at different types of boat. Now children, firstly we saw log boat, which not used to travel fast. It used to travel only 4 km in 1 hour. Now there are some boats which are having motors and it can go very far into the sea. Now let's see. Some boats have motors and go further into the sea. Since they go far out, they can catch more fish. These boats travel faster at the speed of about 20 km in 1 hour. Okay children, these boats travel faster at the speed of 20 km per hour. Now question, how far would the motor boats go in 3.5 hours? Let's repeat the question. How far would the motor boat go in 3.5 hours? Now, if the speed of boat is 20 km in 1 hour, how far would the motor boat go in 3.5 hours? Answer is, in 1 hour motor boat goes 20 km. Therefore, in 3 hours, the motor boat will go 3 into 20, that is equal to 60 km. Now children, remaining half hour the boat will travel, how much we will calculate. Now, and in half hour the boat will go 10 km. Now how this 10 km came? In 1 hour the boat travelled 20 km. So in half hour the boat will go 10 km. Therefore, in 3.5 hour the boat will travel 60 plus 10, that is equal to 70 km. The boat travels 70 km in 3.5 hour. Understood children? Okay, next question. Now next question. How much time will they take to go 85 km? Now children, if the boat travel 20 km in 1 hour, the same. Now next, we can ride this 85 km in a group of 20. Why in a group of 20? Because the boat is traveling 20 km in 1 hour. Now how much we will get here? 20 km plus 20 km plus 20 km plus 20 km plus 5 km. See, if we add these 5, we will get 85 km. 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 20, 60, 60 plus 20, 80 plus 5, that is equal to 85 kilometers. Now children, this 20 kilometer will be taken 1 hour. This next 20 kilometer will take 1 hour. This next 20 kilometer will take 1 hour. This next 20 kilometer will take 1 hour, and this 5 kilometer will be completed in 1 by 4 hour. Okay, now how this 1 by 4 hour came, children? So see, 20 kilometer in 1 hour, 10 kilometer in half hour, and 5 kilometer in half of is 1/4 hour. Understood? Now if we add this all, we will get 4 and 1/4 hour. The boat will travel 85 kilometer in 4 and 1/4 hour. Okay children? Now next page. But the fishermen are now very worried. There are some very big machine boats that are called travelers in the business. They go far out and put their big nets deep in the sea. This way they collect a whole lot of fish, leaving very few near the seashore. They also stay out on the sea for many days. You can see in the picture the trawler, a big machine boat, sea cabin it is having, so they can stay out on the sea for many days. These big machine boats also catch a small baby fish which have yet to grow up. Fishermen in the smaller boats always let the baby fish pass through their nets to go back into the sea. They choose a net size in such a way that only the grown-up fish are caught. For hundred of years, fishermen have cared for the sea and its fishes and fished only a little to eat and sell. They say that if trawlers catch thousands of kilograms of fish every day, there will be no fish left in the sea. Now next topic is, which boat gets how much? Now children, next topic is, which boat gets how much? In one trip, the logboat brings about 20 kg of fish, but other types of boats bring a bigger catch as given in the table. The table also shows the speed of each type of boat, which is how far each boat goes in 1 hour. Look at the table and calculate. First, we are going to look at the table. Type of boats given are logboat, long-tail boat, motor boat, machine boat. Catch of fish in one trip. In kg, it is given logboat 20 kg catch of fish, long-tail boat 600 kg catch of fish, motor boat 800 kg catch of fish, machine boat 6000 kg catch of fish in one trip. Now logboat speed of the boat in 1 hour. Logboat 4 km per hour. The speed of long tail boat is 12 km per hour. The speed of motor boat is 20 km in 1 hour. The speed of machine boat is 22 km in 1 hour. Now let's go for the question. See children, your first question is about how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips. Let's solve this question. Now again, about how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips. Now see children, type of boat. First is log boat. Catch of fish in one trip is 20 kg. So catch of fish in 7 trip will be 7 into 20, that will give us 140 kg. Now long tail boat. Catch of fish in one trip was 600 kg. So catch of fish in 7 trip will be multiplied by 7, that will give you 4200 kg. Now motor boat catch of fish in one trip is 800 kg. So catch of fish in 7 trip 800 into 7, that will give you 5600 kg. Machine boat catch of fish in one trip was 6000 kg. So catch of fish in 7 trip will be 6,000 into 7. That will give you 42,000 kg. Understood, children? Now second question about how far can a motorboat go in 6 hours. Now children, look in the column. Motorboat speed is 20 km in 1 hour. If you go through the table, you will see motorboat speed is 20 km in 1 hour. Therefore, in 6 hours, the motorboat will go, of course, 20 into 6, that is equal to 120 km. Okay children, now next, if a long tail boat has to travel 60 km, how long will it take? Now children, we are going to solve this question in second method. See children, given is distance is given to us, that is 60 km, and speed of long tail boat is 12 km per hour. By using this formula of speed, distance and time can be calculated, because we have to calculate here what? How long will it take? How long it will take means what we have to calculate here? We have to calculate here time. So time is equal to, by using the formula of speed, distance and time is equal to distance upon speed, and time is therefore, distance is 60 kilometer and the speed is 12 kilometer per hour. Therefore, the time taken will be 5 hours. 60 divided by 12, that will give you 5 hours. Okay children, with this we have completed here page number 9. In the next session we are going to see some big numbers. So till then, goodbye, have a nice time.